thunderstorm warning for Passaic County in northeast New Jersey, northern Bergen County in northeast New Jersey, Rockland County in southeast New York. Thunderstorm warning for Passaic, New York, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:23 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near West Milford and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Bloomingdale, Greenwood Lake, Wingwood, Pompton Lakes, Sloatsburg, Severn, Ramsey, Ridgewood, Monsey, Pomona, Nanuet, Norwood, Upper Nyack, Cabin, Pool River, Orangeburg, Nyack, New City, and Haverstraw. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Damaging winds. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect. By lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch for northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen and Passaic, and the following counties in New York. Counties in New York. Orange Rockland.
Doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, northwestern New Haven County in southern Connecticut, until 3 p.m. At 2:19 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms across southwest Connecticut. These storms are capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located 28 miles south of Danbury, or 6 miles south of Norwalk, and moving east at 10 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Woket, Waterbury, Fluids, New Counties are dangerous storms. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Wednesday evening for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties in Connecticut, Fairfield and New